You can make money from investing if you know what you're doing. This doesn't have to be done online, as there are many offline opportunities as well. When you can invest your money successfully, you'll be able to make a great return and feel proud of your achievements. Maybe you think an investor is someone who works on Wall Street and has an expensive foreign car and a fancy suit. Well, those people certainly do exist. But these days there are more and more average people who are learning how to invest and making significant returns on their money. There are several things you can invest in to provide a good return on your cash. Precious metals such as gold and silver, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, the stock market, the currency exchange or forex market, and real estate. Each one of those investment opportunities I listed has its own set of rules, and you need to use the right approach to make good money. With investments, it's possible to lose money as well as make it. So you'll need to expand your knowledge to make sure you get the best possible chance of making a good return. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Once you get the hang of making money with investments, then you can certainly take bigger risks in return for bigger rewards. Over time, there's no reason why you can't achieve financial independence through the use of proven investment strategies. Now, it all starts with your education. If you want to be a successful investor, then you've got to educate yourself for the best chance. Investment can be very risky, and we don't recommend it for absolute beginners. So, we've created some quality introductory courses on investment that'll give you a great start to your investment success.